Here's an overview of how to use the TLF Performance Parts website. When you come here looking for a fuel injector, if you have your VIN number, you can put it in this search bar here and click search. That will bring up all the fuel injectors that match your vehicle. The other way to look up your injectors is to use the year, make, model search. So I'm going to put in a car here. Sometimes it needs a trim level or a specific engine, so you'll want to make sure to check anything in this box. Now I get a listing of all the different injectors that match my vehicle. I think I'll put this set of 6 injectors into my cart. I do see it's eligible for free ground shipping right now, so I'm definitely going to take advantage of that. Also, we're running a sale, so you will always see if there's a promotion going, the promo code right here, and you can just pop that into the coupon code area. Your discount will show up right away. You can then go to the secure checkout, fill in all your information, and know that when you click on your credit card on the finalizing everything is safe, you will receive an email with a tracking number. Thanks, and I hope that makes it easier.